Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get into a Chrysler 300. First, the most common way is using your key fob. Simply press the unlock button and your doors will open. If your fob battery is dead, don't worry. There's a hidden mechanical key inside. Slide the small release tab on the fob, pull out the key, and insert it into the driver's door lock cylinder. Give it a quarter turn clockwise and you're in. It's a simple backup for unexpected situations. Many Chrysler 300 models feature convenient keyless entry. With your key fob on your person, simply walk up to the driver's door and grasp the handle. The vehicle will sense the fob and unlock automatically. Once inside, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Then, just press the engine start-stop button located on the dashboard. Your powerful engine will roar to life, ready for your journey, all without ever needing to insert a physical key. Sometimes, you might encounter issues getting into your Chrysler 300. If your remote isn't working, first check the key fob battery. It might need replacing. Also, a completely dead car battery can prevent electronic unlocking. If using the mechanical key, ensure the lock cylinder is clear of debris. For more complex problems, your owner's manual is an excellent resource, providing detailed troubleshooting guides and solutions specific to your vehicle's model. Don't hesitate to refer to it. In an emergency, using the mechanical key might activate your Chrysler 300's alarm system. Don't panic. To disarm it, simply get inside and insert your key fob into the ignition slot, or place it in the designated area if you have push-button start. This usually silences the alarm. Remember, always secure your vehicle by locking all doors when you exit. For an extra layer of protection, consider using a visible deterrent like a steering wheel lock. Stay safe and secure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.